Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to make very tasty and healthy strawberry banana smoothie for your kids. As strawberries are a good source of vitamin C, magnesium, vitamin B9 and potassium. They also contain small amounts of several other minerals and vitamins too. On the other hand, bananas are also a healthy source of fiber, potassium, vitamins and various antioxidants. Now start by taking a blender and add 7 to 8 strawberries. Then add 3 bananas. Milk approximately 2 cups, sugar 1 tablespoon and cream 4 tablespoons. Now blend all the ingredients very well. Now pour in glasses and decorate it with strawberries. So very healthy strawberry banana smoothie is ready for your kids. So if you people like the recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching.